The iQOO Z10 series is now official with its first members, the Z10 and Z10x. The Z10 offers an AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, and a massive 7,300 mAh battery. The Z10x opts for an IPS LCD, Dimensity 7300 chipset, and a 6,500 mAh battery. iQOO Z10 is built around a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel is rated at 5000 nits peak brightness and offers an embedded fingerprint scanner and a 32MP selfie cam. The phone is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. There's a pair of cameras around the back with a 50MP main shooter armed with an IMX882 sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. The software side is covered by FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and iQOO is pledging 2 Android OS updates and 3 years of security patches. The phone's massive 7,300 mAh battery supports 90W wired charging, and it can also double as a power bank with its 7.5W reverse wired charging. iQOO Z10 comes in stellar black and glacier silver colors and starts at 21,999 Indian rupees, $255. Open sales in India start on April 16th from the official iQOO eStore and Amazon India. iQOO Z10x gets a 6.72-inch IPS LCD with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It boasts an 8MP selfie cam and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The phone is equipped with MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 chipset with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The camera department features a 50MP main shooter and a 2MP depth helper. The software side is covered by FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and the Z10x gets the same 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches as the iQOO Z10. The phone's 6,500 mAh battery supports 44W wired charging, and it also does reverse wired charging like the Z10. iQOO Z10x comes in ultramarine and titanium colors and starts at 13,999 Indian rupees, $162. Open sales in India start on April 22nd from the official iQOO eStore and Amazon India.